Einstein, His Life and Universe, by Walter Isaacson, is widely regarded as the definitive biography of Albert Einstein, offering an in-depth look at the life of one of the most influential scientists in history. Published in 2007, this biography draws on a wealth of new information from Einstein's personal letters, which were released to the public in the late 20th century. Isaacson, renowned for his ability to craft engaging and insightful biographies, balances the narrative between Einstein's groundbreaking scientific achievements and his personal life, painting a vivid picture of the man behind the myth. The biography spans Einstein's entire life, from his early years in Germany to his final days in the United States, capturing the complexities of his personality, relationships, and intellectual pursuits. The biography begins with Einstein's early years in Ulm, Germany, where he was born in 1879, and his subsequent move to Munich. Isaacson explores Einstein's family background, his parents' influence, and his early fascination with science. From a young age, Einstein exhibited a deep curiosity about the world around him, asking questions that puzzled his teachers and family. The famous story of Einstein being inspired by a compass at the age of 5 is recounted, highlighting his early interest in the mysteries of nature and the unseen forces that govern the universe. Einstein's education was not without challenges. He struggled with the rigid, authoritarian style of schooling in Germany. Despite these difficulties, he showed a remarkable aptitude for mathematics and physics. Isaacson details Einstein's teenage years, his move to Switzerland to attend the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, and his evolving views on religion and philosophy. It was during this time that Einstein began to develop his ideas about light and space, which would later form the basis of his revolutionary theories. One of the most significant periods covered in the biography is 1905, often referred to as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year. During this time, while working as a patent clerk in Bern, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that would change the course of physics. These papers included his work on the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and the equivalence of mass and energy, famously known as E equals mc squared. Isaacson provides a clear and accessible explanation of these theories, making the complex scientific concepts understandable to the general reader. The biography captures the excitement and intellectual fervor of this period, emphasizing Einstein's ability to think independently and challenge established scientific norms. Isaacson delves into Einstein's personal life, exploring his relationships and the impact they had on his work and character. He married Mileva Maric, a fellow student from the Polytechnic with whom he had 2 sons. Their relationship, initially based on mutual intellectual respect and shared scientific interests, became strained due to Einstein's demanding career and Mileva's own personal struggles. Isaacson portrays the complexities of their marriage, including Einstein's infidelities and the eventual breakdown of their relationship. After divorcing Mileva, Einstein married his cousin Elsa, who provided him with a stable home life, allowing him to focus more on his work. Isaacson traces the development of Einstein's general theory of relativity, which expanded on his earlier work and offered a new understanding of gravity. This theory, published in 1915, was a monumental achievement that redefined how scientists viewed the universe. The biography highlights the years of intense work and the support Einstein received from colleagues, as well as the initial skepticism and eventual acceptance of his theories. In 1919, observations made during a solar eclipse confirmed the predictions of general relativity, catapulting Einstein to international fame. Isaacson describes how Einstein became a global celebrity, a status that he used to promote pacifism, Zionism, and other causes close to his heart. Einstein's life in the 1920s and 30s was marked by his growing involvement in political and social issues. Isaacson explores Einstein's advocacy for peace, his outspoken opposition to militarism and nationalism, and his support for the Zionist movement. With the rise of the Nazi Party in Germany, Einstein, a prominent Jewish intellectual, became a target of anti-Semitic attacks. Isaacson details Einstein's decision to leave Germany in 1933 and his move to the United States, where he took a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. This chapter of his life reflects the broader historical context of the time, including the persecution of Jews and the intellectual exodus from Europe. During his later years, Einstein continued to pursue his scientific interests, although his work was increasingly overshadowed by the development of quantum mechanics, which he famously had reservations about. Isaacson discusses Einstein's role in alerting President Franklin D. Roosevelt to the potential of nuclear weapons leading to the Manhattan Project. Although Einstein did not work directly on the bomb, his famous equation, E equals mc squared, laid the groundwork for the understanding of nuclear energy. After World War II, Einstein became an advocate for nuclear disarmament and world government, emphasizing the need for peace in the atomic age. He spent his final years in Princeton focused on the quest for a unified field theory, an endeavor that remained incomplete at his death. Isaacson portrays Einstein as a figure of wisdom and humanity, deeply concerned about the ethical implications of scientific progress. The biography concludes with reflections on Einstein's legacy, both as a scientist and a public figure. Isaacson emphasizes Einstein's contributions to modern physics, his role in the scientific revolution, and his enduring influence on both science and society. He also reflects on Einstein's personal qualities, his curiosity, his independence of thought, and his compassion for humanity. Einstein, His Life and Universe presents a nuanced portrait of a man whose life was as complex and fascinating as the universe he sought to understand. Walter Isaacson's Einstein, His Life and Universe is a masterful biography that captures the essence of Albert Einstein. By weaving together Einstein's scientific achievements with his personal journey, Isaacson provides a comprehensive and engaging portrait of one of history's most brilliant minds. Einstein's relentless pursuit of knowledge, combined with his moral and ethical concerns, makes him a figure of both scientific and humanistic importance. Isaacson's biography not only illuminates the life of Einstein, but also inspires readers to explore their own curiosities and to reflect on the responsibilities that come with great knowledge.